Cold open, want to join the ranks of the wealthy? Here are 10 savvy ways to get rich. 1. Build a diversified portfolio. Investing in a variety of assets can lead to significant gains over time. 2. Invest in real estate. Buy, hold, and sell for profit. 3. Start your own business. Harness your creativity and entrepreneurial spirit. 4. Pursue a high-income career. Surgeons, lawyers, and CEOs, for instance. 5. Save and live below your means. It's not just about earning, but also saving. 6. Write a best-selling book or create a hit song. Intellectual property can be a goldmine. 7. Invent a game-changing product. Think of the wheel, the internet, or the smartphone. 8. Win the lottery or a game show. Luck could be on your side. 9. Marry into wealth. Love and money can sometimes come hand in hand. And 10. Inherit wealth. If you're lucky enough to have wealthy relatives, that is. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to getting rich. What's your strategy?